Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you've learned the 11 incredible Notebook LM use cases that you must know. Okay, so if you think the Notebook LM is just another AI chatbot, you're missing out on one of the biggest strengths. Okay, so first, just make sure to visit the website. Just search Notebook LM on your web browser. Okay, and then you just have to log in using your Google account. So unlike most AI tools that search the internet, the Notebook LM works with your own documents. You can upload PDFs, Google Documents, websites, research papers, meeting notes, and much more. Then it becomes an AI assistant that understands your information. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you the 11 incredible ways you can use the Notebook LM to study, create content, manage projects, and even run your business more efficiently. Okay, now we're just going to create a notebook called College Notes. So just tap on the create new notebook. So this will be our first notebook, of course. And then we're just going to name this one as College Notes. All right. Then after that, we're going to create a notebook called the College Notes, and we're going to upload the lecture slides, PDF textbooks, and some class notes. So just simply tap on the add source, and then you can upload your files right here. Okay, and then after that, once the Notebook LM finishes analyzing them, notice that you can ask questions based on these materials. I'm just going to search for biology for studying. I'm just going to get my resources from the web. Okay, so let's just wait. So instead of reading an entire chapter again, the Notebook LM instantly provides a summary, and we can always ask it to explain difficult concepts, generate flashcards, or even create practice quiz. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to summarize this into, for example, 3 paragraphs only. All right. And then you'll be able to get your answer right here. Now for okay, so let me just wait for the answer so I can show you. All right. Okay, so we finally get our answer. And the next one is we are going to use this as our research assistant. Okay, so if you are using if you are doing research, the Notebook LM can save hours of reading. So here, you just have to upload multiple journal articles, for example. So still, I'm just going to use these resources. So instead of comparing them manually, we can simply ask, compare these studies. All right. And the Notebook LM identifies similarities, differences, and major findings across all of the papers, making literature reviews much faster. So after that, you'll be able to see your answer right here. And for our case number 3 is the YouTube script writing on screen. Still, we are going to use these resources. So we just have to upload our product documentation once again right here. Okay. And then content creators can also use the Notebook LM. So after uploading our official documentation, we can create a complete video outline. For example, create an 8-minute YouTube tutorial. All right. And it organizes the information into a logical flow that can use as a foundation of our script. Now, for case number 4 is the marketing campaigns. So for example, brand guidelines, customer personas, campaign report. So we can still use it. If you're a marketer, Notebook LM becomes your campaign assistant because it understands your brand documents. It can suggest marketing ideas and can stay consistent with your messaging. For example, we're going to type it right here, create a social media campaign. Okay, create a social media campaign. All right. Next one is our case number 5, business knowledge. So for example, we are going to upload here employee handbook SOPs, company policies. So many business spend valuable time searching for internal information. So instead of upload your company documents into NotebookLM. So for example, you can type it right here. What is our refund policy? Something like that, and then you'll be able to get your answer as long as you upload your sources. Next one is for meeting summaries. So after meetings, you just have to upload the transcript right here again, and then the NotebookLM can summarize the discussion, identify the decisions, and even list action items for you. Next one is the case 7 for competitor analysis. Okay, so NotebookLM can also analyze competitors. So you just have to upload the competitor's information and ask to compare our products. All right, something like that. Next one is the case number 8. So book learning. If you're reading a book, NotebookLM helps you understand it much faster. So you can ask it to summarize chapters, explain difficult ideas, or create review questions. So yeah, just upload your sources right here, and then you have here different type of file format that you can upload. Next one is for our case number 9 is the audio reviews. The audio overviews. So we can click on the audio overview right here at the right side. And this one is one of the NotebookLM's coolest features. And instead of reading everything yourself, the NotebookLM can generate an AI-hosted audio discussion based on your uploaded sources. So for our case number 10 is the project management. So for projects, we can keep everything inside one notebook. So let me just go back here, and I'm just going to create a new notebook, and then we can name this notebook as website design. All right, and then we can upload our sources right here. So for example, we can ask the NotebookLM what tasks are still pending, as long as we have our resources right here. Okay, now the next one is the learning and a skill. So for example, we can upload here different tutorials. So whether you're studying programming, marketing, photography, or finance, you just have to upload your learning materials and as it to explain the concept, create study plans, or test your knowledge. Okay, so NotebookLM dashboard. There are so many notes or notebooks that you can find here based on how many notebooks you have created. So yeah, it's the more relevant sources you upload, the more helpful its answers become. Okay, so it's good for researching, creating content, managing projects, and organizing information. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.